Hello, I have my MiSTer FPGA here again, and we're playing with the Commodore 64 core. There's a new little device, well it's probably not very new, but new to me. It's the SNAC2IEC device that allows you to connect to the SNAC USB style port on your MiSTer and then connect an SD2IEC in my case, but you can also connect real Commodore 1541, 7181 floppy drives, CMD HDs, anything, printers I think too. So, but that's all I have is an SD2IEC right now. I do have a meatloaf, but and I do have a Pi 1541. I may be able to play with that. But today we're going to play with C64OS because it really needs the SD2IEC to load. So here it is, the SNAC2IEC, and then the SD2IEC, and MiSTer, of course. As you can see, I have Jiffy DOS loaded. C64OS loads way better with, faster with Jiffy DOS. So you can, if you own Jiffy DOS, you can just use a concatenate cat file on your computer to merge all the ROMs together. There's a file on the internet that tells you exactly how to do that. So here we are, we're at Jiffy DOS. So now we're going to load C64OS. Well, first let's take a look at the options I chose. Basically, I turned on the turbo mode for C128 and I turned it up all the way to the 4X. The audio and video I didn't really change. We have the 16 megabyte RAU enabled, and I have the external IEC enabled, so that works with the SNAC card there. The modem works with the core, but there's not a driver yet for C64OS, but I think that's coming up in a bit, so hopefully that'll work soon. I'll have to try the real time clock. There is a clock driver in C64OS, so I'll have to try that. You know, I'll have to have a mouse with my, oh yeah, I have it plugged in here. That's the actual real C64, but I have it plugged into my MiSTer, so I have the mouse, so that will work. And yeah, none of that other stuff really matters because I've set that up already. Well, since I changed the turbo mode, let's reset it. Okay, now we're ready to go. I had to reset the whole thing to make sure that the RU didn't have any images in it, and so it can load fresh. So here we go. Load. Here we are. That's pretty fast. So settings, we'll check the RU memory. Mouse works pretty good. It's actually more quicker than on a real C64, but it works pretty good. Memory usage. 16 megs of RAM for the RAU, great. Well, let's switch to another app. How about the file manager? Here we go. Let's go back and see how fast that switches back to the app launcher. Boom. There's our RU slots working. Well, there you go. Once we get a modem driver, this will be able to do pretty much everything a real C64 can do. So that's pretty cool. Have fun. Thank you.